and I want you to open packages with me. So what happens is these packages just like come in the mail, and I'm like, cool, packages. And I was like, I know, let's open package together. So I have no idea what this is. No clue at all. Stop! Look! It's Cheerios with my name on it. Am I supposed to eat these? Guys, I can't. Look at them here. I feel like I've arrived. Look at my Cheerios. Do you guys think that I should open more packages? If you do, let me know down below. Should I like my Cheerios? So are they? They're limited edition, but they just say my name on them. This is cool. This is actually really cool, right? I'm pretty excited about it. Anyway, that's really fun. Yeah, that was cool. All right, I love you guys. Bye.